Hey guys, Alex Ryan here, and my wife in the background. Hey Sarah.
Hey.
So where are we today and where are we working? Where's our office today?
We are in Circular Quay, Sydney.
Beautiful, look at that. So nice here. I love working from beautiful places, and so you guys can do this as well. It's just a matter of making sure that you have a business where you can basically work from a laptop and be able to be portable. And a lot of businesses out there just are not like that. You know, you either have to be somewhere, you have to be located somewhere, office jobs or a location, whereas Amazon, you don't need to really have a location. And do you actually need to go down to the post office every day and actually post stuff off, Sarah?
No, not with Amazon. They can do it for you.
Yeah, well that's it. The thing is, you can go on holiday, you can be on that cruise ship over there, and you can basically have Amazon send the goods out for you to your customers, right? Because that's the thing where I found in my other business, I was going down the post office every day like a Santa with a big sack on his back with products, and I couldn't go anywhere. I was locked down to a location, whereas you kind of want to be having a laptop and being able to work from essentially anywhere in the world. And last year I actually ran my business from Jamaica, from the Caribbean and the Cayman Islands, and that's something you guys might want to do as well, be able to go out there and basically run your business from anywhere. And let me just show you this view. It's actually quite incredible. This is actually one of my favorite places to hang out. Is that incredible? Beautiful. This is actually one of my favorite offices. I call it my office. My office on the go. I've got about 20 of them located around the city, but this inspires me. Coming down here every day or every 2 days inspires me to get more done, to actually get more accomplished, and to find new products and be able to sustain this business. So yeah, get inspired guys, get something up and running, start looking for some product ideas. I would love to see you out of one of our free trainings. We do a lot of them online, and I'd love to help you. If you're looking for product ideas, you're definitely going to get product ideas there, right? And also, if you're looking for some steps involved to launching something on Amazon, make sure you attend as well. Bye-bye for now. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye for now.